All right, YouTube. This is my brother John, and he's with Toys for Tots. So what are we doing today?
We're doing a bike run for Toys for Tots for donations.
Okay.
This is my wife Linda. She's the chair of it.
Hi there.
Nice
So
to meet you.
she's going to take it all over and tell you exactly how everything works.
Cool.
Yes. So it's for Toys for Tots of Beaver County. We cover a little bit of Western Allegheny County.
Okay.
But the majority of everything happens right here in Beaver County. All the children are from Beaver County. All the donations, all the toys stay right here in Beaver County. So
Nice.
This is our second bike run, and I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what everybody can do today.
Absolutely.
And hopefully everybody's safe and enjoy themselves. And we're looking at probably 5,000 to 6,000 kids this year.
Wow. 6,000 kids.
And I'm not done.
Wow.
They're still coming in.
Nice.
So,
Nice.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
So we're excited to be here.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.